giveaway, it's a giveaway,
Tell me where you been, yeah, I'm trying to find you, do I need to remind you, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Octavia, aka Double O Styles. Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be doing a giveaway. I'm so excited. I know you're excited too, sis. So if you are new to me, make sure you press that subscribe button and make sure you press that like button so we can go ahead and get this popping, okay? Let's get into it, okay? We have an Outre wig that we'll be doing a giveaway from SamsBeauty. Shout out to SamsBeauty for providing the wig for you guys. And I'm excited about this wig because I've been wanting to try this wig for the longest and it's finally here, okay? Her name is Julianne and I have a chocolate swirl, but the one I'll be giving away for the giveaway is color 1B, okay? It's a natural, blackish natural color. The color I got is the chocolate swirl. Love a little chocolate swirl too. Yes, chocolate swirl, is it what you say? Yes, chocolate swirl by Julianne. The perfect hairline. Yes. So with this Julianne wig, we can do it any way we want. This side, in the middle, and she got braids in the center. She got a little braid, like 3 little braids at the top, but for me, I'm gonna just do the center and the sides. So let's start. But first, let me share the details with you. Okay, so this was the little card that was in there. It's a 13x6 fully hand-tied lace front wig. That just simply means you can just part it anywhere, okay? It's more freedom to your parting. Life isn't perfect, but your hair can be, and that's on what? Period. It's an HD transparent soft Swiss lip. HD transparent soft Swiss lace. Get it out. Fully hand-tied 13x6 frontal, no plucking required, baby hairs, adjustable wide elastic band, and heat styling friendly. Okay. Let's get into Julianne about time, okay? Let's do it. This is Julianne coming out of the box. This chocolate swirl is very beautiful. Just the hair itself is very beautiful. You can tell it's like a yucky type of hairstyle. Like it's kind of silky, but it's not really silky. It's more between silky and yucky, but more leaning closer to the yucky side. She's like an 18 inch. And I can already tell you already from the jump, this wig is just gonna have me looking sexy. And it's just being honest, like I'm not trying to be cocky. I just already know that I'm about to be just cute. Just not just cute though. I'm just gonna be so beautiful in my Julianne wig. Cause I just know, cause I just been waiting for too long. Girl, what was you waiting for? Just get the wig. This is the baby hairs in the front, the lace, and this is all where you can part it at. And it has the elastic band right here, and then it has the 3 combs, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. I'm just gonna cut the lace and put it on my head now. Yeah, stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. I really love how perfectly this hair gives beautiful body, okay? It's full, not too full, but it's like perfect because it has perfect thickness to it, which is what I really love. I love this brown color. It's just a natural brown color. It looks like a color 4, but I really love the fullness of this hair. With the lace part, it was pretty easy, kind of like when I first put it on, this was already kind of melting against my skin. And so I just sprayed it. I probably sprayed a little too much, as you can see the white. But it's still kind of drying right now. There was no shedding with this hair. It's very soft hair. The curls are perfect length and the hair itself is perfect length. This is the back. I really love this wig too because I just like how I can just pick a side or I can just toss it around freely how I want to. Overall, my favorite thing about this hair is the fullness. This is how I kind of want most of my wigs to be, like mostly full like this. So I think this is like perfect because the hairline itself, it blended in perfectly with my skin. All I did was spray some Got To Be Glued on it, let it dry for a while, and kind of do my best with my own edges. I used some of their edges, which the edges was perfect. It wasn't too long or anything. And yeah, I really love this. Perfect fullness. Just perfect fullness. Let me see how I do in the middle. Do I want it in the middle? I do love the middle too. So it's your choice, sis, how you want to flip this thing. If you want to move it to side, if you want it in the middle, if you want to do the 3 braids that Homegirl did in hers. This is the parting. Y'all know normally I try to touch up my partings, but with the 13x6, I just leave it be, okay? I leave it be because it's good how it is. It's perfect and it's coming out of my skin, as you can see, with no problem, sis. If I was you, sis, I would get into it, or you have the chance to be a part of my giveaway. I will have the rules provided below of the giveaway of how you can win this Julianne 1B color wig. Shout out to SamsBeauty for being a part of this giveaway and providing y'all with that free wig. So y'all better say thank you. In the comments, say thank you, because stuff not free. But this one free as long as you pay attention to the rules and follow the rules, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment below whether if you like this wig or not. Would you get this wig? Yeah, no. What side would you put it on? I love it. Perfect fullness. That's what it is mainly for me. The fullness and the parting and the perfectly melted hairline. I ain't had to stay too focused on that hairline. That's what's up. The fullness of this, perfect. And that thing moving. You see that? And you see Julianne moving. Anywho, back to what I was saying. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you press the subscribe button. Make sure you comment below your thoughts. And I will see you guys next time. Make sure you follow the rules for the giveaway too. All right, peace.
Notice your pain. Runs deep. Share it with me.